Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the latest insights on stocks and financial developments. In today's video, we'll be discussing some significant movements in the world of institutional investing, specifically regarding MicroStrategy Incorporated NASDAQ, Mstr. Stay tuned as we dive into the latest financial updates and what these changes might mean for investors. In the most recent financial updates, 5 Oceans Advisors has made a notable move by acquiring a new position in MicroStrategy Incorporated NASDAQ, Mstr in the fourth quarter. A filing with the Securities and Exchange Commission's EC revealed that this institutional investor purchased 6,445 shares of the company, amounting to an investment of approximately $1.87 million. This new acquisition means MicroStrategy now represents about 0.9% of 5 Oceans Advisors' overall portfolio, making it the 24th largest holding. This investment by 5 Oceans Advisors is part of a larger trend among institutional investors with regard to MicroStrategy stock. A variety of well-known investment firms have been actively buying and selling shares of the company. Geode Capital Management LLC made a significant increase of 990.6% in its stake during the third quarter, purchasing an additional 2,512,645 shares, raising its total holdings to 2,766,283 shares. The valuation of this investment now stands at approximately $465.57 million. Charles Schwab Investment Management Inc. also expanded its MicroStrategy position by 587.4% during the same period, acquiring 567,628 additional shares. The total ownership has now risen to 664,261 shares, valued at $111.99 million. UBS Asset Management Americas LLC, a division of UBS AM, boosted its stake by 971.3%, purchasing 579,994 more shares and increasing its total holdings to 639,707 shares. The total value of these holdings is estimated at $107.86 million. Swiss National Bank also made a large move, increasing its stake by 904.7%, adding 420,600 shares to its holdings. The bank now owns a total of 468,200 shares worth about $78.94 million. Sumitomo Mitsui Trust Group Inc. raised its stake by 1,077%, acquiring 314,007 additional shares, bringing its total holdings to 343,164 shares, valued at $57.86 million. These significant investments reflect the strong belief institutional investors have in the market potential of MicroStrategy. Hedge funds and other institutional investors now own roughly 59.84% of the company's stock. At the same time, insiders of MicroStrategy have been active in selling their shares. Director Stephen X. Graham executed a major sale on November 21st, offloading 20,000 shares at an average price of $451.36. The total value of the sale was about $9.03 million. After the transaction, Graham retained 6,970 shares, which are valued at approximately $3.15 million, representing a 74.16% reduction in his ownership. Chief Accounting Officer Jeanine Montgomery also sold shares on November 14th. She sold 752 shares at an average price of $322.45, generating $242,482 from the sale. Montgomery now holds 6,418 shares valued at about $2.07 million, reflecting a 10.49% reduction in her stake. Over the last 90 days, insiders have collectively sold 102,000 shares, generating roughly $32.26 million. Currently, insiders hold about 9.16% of MicroStrategy's stock. Turning to the stock's performance, MicroStrategy NASDAQ, Mstr recently saw a drop in price by $5.30, bringing the share price to $334.79 during midday trading on Friday. Trading volume reached 15.53 million shares, slightly below the average of 17.75 million shares. Here are some key financial metrics from MicroStrategy. Debt-to-equity ratio, 1.12. Quick ratio, 0.65. Current ratio, 0.65. Market capitalization, $80.23 billion. Price-to-earnings ratio, minus 158.89. Beta, 3.25. The stock has experienced significant volatility over the past year, reaching a 52-week low of $46.75 and a high of $543. The 50-day simple moving average is currently $359.82, while the 200-day simple moving average is at $250.23. In its most recent earnings report, released on October 30th, MicroStrategy posted a quarterly loss of $1.56 per share, significantly missing analysts' consensus estimate of 12 cents. The company reported revenue of $116.07 million, falling short of the projected $121.45 million. The firm also reported a negative net margin of 87.05% and a negative return on equity of 17.31%. Revenue also decreased by 10.3% year-over-year, reflecting ongoing financial challenges for the company. Despite these struggles, several major financial analysts have updated their price targets for MicroStrategy stock. Maxim Group raised its target price from $193 to $270 while maintaining a buy rating. Barclays substantially increased its price target from $275 to $515, assigning an overweight rating. Sanford C. Bernstein reiterated its outperform rating, setting a price target of $600. BTIG Research raised its estimate from $290 to $570, keeping its buy rating. Compass Point upgraded its rating to strong buy. The consensus rating for MicroStrategy remains a moderate buy, with an average target price of $483.22, according to MarketBeat.com. In summary, MicroStrategy continues to attract significant institutional investments, despite facing financial hurdles and stock price volatility. The company's close ties to Bitcoin and its long-term growth strategy continue to make it a focal point for investors. As market conditions evolve, the company's future performance, especially in light of analyst rating shifts and financial reports, will be closely monitored. With substantial investments from hedge funds and the confidence of analysts, MicroStrategy represents both opportunities and risks for potential investors. As always, a careful, strategic approach to investment decisions is advisable for anyone considering adding MicroStrategy to their portfolio. As always, please remember that this is not financial or investment advice. Our goal is to provide you with valuable insights and information for educational and entertainment purposes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching and have a fantastic day.